Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So today's the big day. Today I'm getting my clutch installed. I was supposed to be let's take a look at my watch and see what it says. I was supposed to be at the shop at 9 o'clock. It is now 9:35. So yeah, get on me. I had 3 alarms set. I don't know for what reason. For some reason I did not wake up or they did not go off. So we are about to be hauling the mail to go to the shop. I already called them and apologized to them. So we're now on our way to go get the clutch installed. So let's get this party started. Gotta love a cold start with the MA Performance exhaust. Let me roll the windows down. It's not very loud at all, so yeah. Boy, do I have a journey ahead of me. Let's hit the road, boys. All right, so here's what I figured I'm gonna do. I'm gonna break this video up into different segments because there's just no way I'm gonna be able to do the entire clutch install video in one video of me getting there and me driving there, blah, 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 blah. But I just got to the gas station, got the morning essentials. If any of you guys else love this monster, leave this video a like, comment down below and tell me which one's your favorite monster. The whole Ultra series of monsters are the best. Alright, let's get this show on the road, boys and girls. Alright, so I was supposed to be there at 9 o'clock. Where I live now, I am still 4 hours away. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm coming. Alright, so just a quick little update. I'm still about 2 hours out from the actual shop. But while I had it on my mind, comment down below what you think my car is going to make on the dyno. We're going to do the K-Tuner off-the-shelf maps. We're going to do the, I have the 19 and the 23 PSI. So we're going to see how much power the K-Tuner off-the-shelf map makes. And then I'm also running now the TSP Stage 1 tune. And it is... wow, totally night and day difference from the K-Tuner, which of course that's to be expected, but I cannot believe I waited this long to run to get the TSP Stage 1 tune. I am beyond happy with it, and I noticed, and I mean, yeah, I did a little research, but the TSP Stage 1 tune, I'm now pushing 26 pounds of boost instead of 23, and I don't know, it completely like changed the dynamic of the car. I can't help but not get in and out. I don't know, man. It feels like it, I don't know, changed the way the intake sounds. Just, I don't know, all the sounds that the turbo makes now with the Stage 1 TSP tune is awesome. So I'm super excited to see what kind of power both the tunes make. And I'm gonna do a comparison video. So like I mentioned, we are still about an hour and 55 minutes out from the actual Street Image Performance shop so we can get this clutch installed. So just checking in. Comment down below what you think my numbers are going to be for the K-Tuner dyno pulls and also the TSP Stage 1 tune. Alright guys, so we have finally made it to the freaking shop. Man, what a drive that was. So I'm gonna end today's video right here. So make sure you stay tuned. The next video will be of us actually installing the clutch. So yeah, I'm curious to see on how big of a difference the stock clutch is going to feel against this FX400. So thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you leave it a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Peace.
It's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.